Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to solve invalid configuration information issue on Dell desktop computer. If you encounter the screen with the error message invalid configuration information when you power on or boot your Windows computer. The invalid configuration information issue on a Dell desktop computer can occur due to several reasons, including CMOS battery failure. The CMOS battery maintains system settings like date, time, and BIOS configurations. If it's dead or low, it can cause this error. You can see on this computer the date and time is incorrect. Second reason is BIOS settings corruption. Changes to BIOS settings or a corrupted BIOS can trigger this error message. Now, let me guide you through the process of replacing the CMOS battery. First, open the casing of the computer and carefully remove the dead CMOS battery. Now, carefully replace the dead CMOS battery with a new one. After replacing CMOS battery, close the computer casing and power on your computer. Here you can see the error message again. Now you have to adjust system date and time on BIOS setup. In this case, the Apply button is disabled. You can enable it by accessing the BIOS setup and making changes such as adjusting the boot sequence or boot method. Once you've made and undone some other settings, you'll notice the Apply button becomes enabled. Now, adjust the time and date. Click on the Apply button, and then click OK to confirm. Now the computer is booting to Windows normally, so you won't see the error message again. And that's a wrap for today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.